I heard a version of this song a couple of weeks ago. My granddaughter said, she knows I like this song, and she said, listen to this, because I'm not really big on heavy metal. And this is was a heavy metal version of a song I sing. And it was actually better. It was actually better than the original to me, and which surprised me. And the next couple of weeks, when I get Craig organised, we're going to do really very heavy metal.
Wow!
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Cause a vision softly creeping to see while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone through narrow streets of cobblestone. Neath the halo of a street lamp, I call out to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light, split the night, and touch the silence of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared. No one dared disturb the sounds of silence. Fools that I, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Take my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered